What's up, guys? I'm here with a bike check. So I got hookworms, the brand new hookworms. Same one boat. Got spoke skins. I got grips, some new ones. I just random got off of what they call it, Amazon. New bars. I'm gonna get new rubber bands, like RS rubber bands. I just ordered it yesterday. Coca-Cola stickers. A bandana to match the red. Black ups on leather. And I think these stock. So yeah, I call it, yeah, then stock. And uh, um, and I think I did say um, red, like cable. My bad. And the block ups on brake. Cool stops. I'm getting new ones because these ones is not mountain bikes. I like mountain bikes better because they grab better. It's the same thing, but I feel like they grab better for me. I got a red sparkle chain. I don't know if you can see the sparkle on them, but yeah. And I've got a red sprocket, and I'm gonna get a new freewheel because it's not that loud, just in my opinion. And it don't even make noise when you like stop pedaling while driving. And yeah, I think the stem is white, yeah. And I got the stock raise it up. So I'm gonna do a part 2. So yeah, this is my bike for right now.